Hello everybody, Gavin at Audio Boffins here, introducing a new tool that we got in late last week. I wanted to show it to you because I think it will be very handy to you guys, whether you be a professional installer, a hobbyist or enthusiast. If you do a lot of electrical work with cars, it will make your life so much more simple. Something I'm a strong believer in. Why struggle when there's a tool out there to do the job for you? So what it is a cord-free DC circuit tester. It vibrates and beeps when power is present between 3 and 24 volts. The fact that it's cord free makes it really simple. I'll give you the model numbers at the end, but for now let's just show you what it does. So that is the holder or the actual probe itself. Once you remove the holder, you've just got a simple little stabby spike. Don't stick it in your arm or eye, it will hurt. And yeah, now put it on your power terminal or your wire, does nothing at all. But put your hand onto an earth anywhere on the vehicle and it beeps. Perfect for those situations where you've got your leg behind your neck, under the dashboard of a car, trying to struggle with a multimeter, hold it onto a ground and into a pin. Nice, simple tool to use, not particularly expensive. You can get it from your local Snap-on dealer. If you don't have a Snap-on dealer, go on their website, have a look, and obviously you'll be able to find your local representative, and it should be an item they stock on board pretty much, daily from my understanding. It's called the EECT201BL, and that is the packaging there if you want to take a screenshot of that so that you can show your local rep. Any questions about it, of course, feel free to put in the comments and I'll do my best, although Snap-on will be able to equally answer everything in perhaps more depth. But thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you guys follow us for some more interesting videos in future. Cheers.